Hey there,
Hello.
Jackson County Sheriff's Office. The reason for the stop today is you have a defective registration in the back here, okay?
Can I look at it?
No, wait until the traffic stop's done, okay? And then we can take a look. All right.
Okay.
Do you have your license, proof of insurance on you?
Very cool.
How would you proof of insurance?
All right.
I'll just get some ice cream, or?
Yeah, we're actually heading to my uncle's place to go to a bow hunting.
Okay, got it.
So.
I don't need that. I just need the proof of insurance.
Oh, there we go.
Do you bow hunt much this year, or?
I actually hunt a lot down by my place. I've had a lot of fun. I haven't shot yet. You know,
Yeah.
I'm kind of picky on what I want to get.
Yeah, I hear you on the same one.
So.
Yeah, that's casualty insurance.
That's better.
That's your card, I think.
Yep, that's it.
It is.
Alright. It's gonna be a warning for the light, okay?
Okay.
Just let me get this information and I'll get my
Is that for the
license plate? Yep.
Okay.
Yep. And I'll extinguish my front lights so you can actually see it at sunlight, okay?
Okay. Oh, nice one. Oh, you got me on there.
What happened?
I put it up there.
What are you doing?
It's only fair. I filmed you when you got pulled over, but you were speeding.
Yeah. Well, they found Dad's drugs. Keep the light on a little bit.
Now I'm gonna get lost in this town. We had to take a side road to pull over.
The U. Good morning, guys, and welcome to Buffalo County. It is our first morning here. We got up a little late. Gets bright out here real quick. But sunrise is at 6:47, and it's like 6:20 right now, and it's already bright. So I'm gonna get going, get up to my stand, and hopefully we can bring you guys some action.
Your time and walk up slow. Might take you an hour to get there. So be it. Good luck.
Two. Beautiful shot. That was awesome. My heart's going so fast. He's down. He's down. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, that was amazing. Oh, it came from right behind me. I was watching it doe in the field. Came right behind me. Walked right through there. Came up. Went and was following a doe on that ridge line or something he had sent on her. I grunted a few times, got his attention. He came in. It worked. When he's down, he is down. I saw him, bro. Oh, thank you, Lord. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, that was awesome. Oh, it's the first morning out here. First morning, and I couldn't be more happy with that buck. It looks mature. I mean, he wasn't like super huge, but he was a nice buck. Nice blades, thick bases on him. Oh, I can't wait to get my hands on him. I just saw him go down. He's in the field. Shot placement was great. It's gotta be either heart or lungs. He's quick. So quick. Hope Dad's having good luck today. I'm having good luck. I saw it. I saw that button buck earlier this morning. And then that small 8 that came in. us hunt out here. It's a privilege to be able to do this, and we appreciate it very much. I know I do. Especially now, being able to kill my first mature deer. Hopefully Jeremy can get her done too this weekend. That'd be really cool. It's been a journey to get to this point. Alright, I'm gonna see what time it is. And, depending on the time, I might go back to the cabin or stay here and wait. I'm guessing it's around 9:30, 10 o'clock. But that's it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I know I enjoyed it. Hopefully the footage is good for you guys. It was definitely a close enough shot. Probably only 10 yards, if that. Thank you, Lord. Oh, nice bubbly blood. Look at that. Rage deployed perfectly. Clean pass through. Stands right there. Show you guys some of the beautiful terrain that we're hunting in right now. Look at that ridge. The deer love this. They just love it. They eat it up. Cabin's right down over there. So we're gonna make our way there. Try not to disturb over here. This Dad's hunting over there. So see you at the cabin. Alright guys, forgot to show you this view too. This is one of my favorite places to be in the world. Just beautiful out here. Camera definitely doesn't do it justice, but there's just so many hills and valleys and runways for all these deer. It's beautiful.
I was wondering why you were all giddy and coming out and telling me a story.
Looks good.
Yes, it does. Complete pass through, eh?
Oh yeah, I got it all on film and I can
Do ya?
turn it to slow motion. It's sweet.
Buck?
Yup. Yeah, it was a buck. It's mature, not as big as like Poseidon or the rake, but it's
Awesome.
nice.
Good job,
buck.
Jordan.
Thanks.
Awesome.
And he walked over on the ridge line, headed towards you.
Can't have that now.
No, I can't have that. So what do?
That is
I figured I was gonna let you sit, but because it's gonna be 70 degrees out,
No,
didn't
that's
wanna-
you did perfect. You get a deer, or you gotta get him. Especially if I see him get it on.
Well, we're out in the field now, and we're looking.
Stand is in that corner.
Yep, stands in the corner. I think he only went about 70 yards this way ish. But we're looking for blood just in case that's the case. We saw it where it came into the field, but can't really find any in the field. I'm thinking he's laying up there. I think I saw him.
All right. It's getting hot day. It's already like 70 degrees out. No blood though, eh?
See the rack though.
Oh yeah, I see a rack too. Oh, look at that.
Right in the boiler.
Good job, Jordan. Awesome, very proud of you. That's a dandy buck. I'm filming because it's so dark. It's so bright out here, I can't see. Oh, that's handy.
Look. Extra stickers on here. Decent bases.
Yeah. Yeah, that was awesome.
Let me get a picture of you first.
Awesome job. All that time working out, now it pays off. Try to go up one of these deer trails. It's probably a nice, easy route to get across under the grade.
He's filming me because he knows the stick's gonna snap and I'm gonna go back.
Oh, I'm hoping. Good job.
Camera. Alright guys, we arrived back at the cabin. Again, couldn't be happier. Wasn't a mega giant like these beasts, but it could be comparable to something like that or that. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It took days off of work for this, and now I got my buck. Again, beyond happy. Thank you, Tony, for letting me and Dad hunt out here. And thank you, Lord, for providing the opportunity for this deer to come down my direction. I don't know what else there is to say. That's really what it comes down to. And I feel like you guys definitely feel that same way sometimes too. If you get a nice shot on a deer, or you catch that giant largemouth or whatever, it's exhilarating. It is 100% exhilarating. So I'm gonna charge my phone up a little bit so I can text Jeremy that Poseidon and the rake are all his. Yes, those are bigger deer, but when opportunity knocks, you can't pass that up. It's a nice deer. It was mature, and I am beyond happy with the result. Whew. Awesome.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another windy episode of Wisco Outdoors. Today is November 5th, and right now it is Thursday. My best friend in the world, Jordan, is all the way across the state of Wisconsin on a big buck mission right now, and I just got a text from him saying that he has got one heck of a story to tell, and I could not be a happier friend right now. I wish I was out there with him to film and get his reaction and all that, but I had to stay back home this week, and I haven't gotten the invite to go out there. So Jordan, if you want to be a pal next year, I'm just messing with you. I am so happy for him. He has worked his butt off this year to get a big buck on the ground, and from what I've heard, he's got spotty reception right now. From what I've heard, oh come on, there's no good. Come on, my stick going this way. From what I have heard, is that he got it done today. So now I'm out practicing and spotting and watching these two fields over here. I don't know when this is gonna go in the video, but this is my reaction to it. I'm pumped. I haven't seen any pictures. I haven't seen a bloody arrow. All I got from him was raging. Oh no, come on. All I got from him was rage in the cage, baby. So, Jordan, good luck to you, sir. Couldn't be happier for you, bud. Wish I was there with you, but we will see you on Sunday. And we'll be filming on Sunday. As soon as he's 20 minutes, jumping in the F1, and we're going to be hauling butt over to Jordan's, and we're going to have a Wisco celebration because we got more work to do now, bud. Hopefully we can keep the streak rolling. We killed a deer in October. We killed a deer in November. I got a buck tag and 2 doe tags left. He's got doe tags left. Gun season's coming up. We're just getting the ball rolling, And I couldn't be happier for him. So, bud, let's keep her moving. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. It is currently, let's see, what time is it here? 10:08. And we are headed to the one, the only Jordan's house. And we're gonna meet up. I'm gonna get to see his buck tonight at like 1 in the morning when he finally gets home. But hey, you know what? It's like to see it tonight, hey? Tomorrow morning, we are going to butcher his deer and do all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna focus on driving here because my mom watches my YouTube channel and she ain't gonna be happy that I'm doing this. Sorry, Ma, I love ya, but I'm done, and we'll see you when we get to Jordan's. There he is, the big buck killer.
Should keep that in front of the GoPro, otherwise he casts a shadow on me. We learned that trick.
Nice.
It's right in my face.
There you go. Look at that. Nice, bud.
Huge, but
Oh, that's a good buck, dude.
job done.
Got her done, eh?
Uh-huh.
Cool.
He's a fatty. He's big.
Yeah, that's a big deer, dude.
We got somewhere 170, 180.
You just gonna leave him out there tonight?
Yeah, we got ice in the cavity and stuff. So
Coolio.
tomorrow.
Let's go look at that cool footage, hey, brother?
That too.
The dream team's back together. We got a lot of work to do together. So, yeah. Tomorrow. Alright. Talk to you guys later. Where is this kid? That's safe. Just a pot of boiling water. Cool. Kitten's here. Jordan.
Hey guys, and that's the end of the video, but if you like the content you see, subscribe right over here, and make sure you like that video. I had a great time filming it, and kind of sucked, kind of hurt, pain in my side, but again, subscribe right up here, and like down there.
You can see his front teeth.
No, seriously guys, thank you guys for watching the video, and we'll be, actually right now we're starting the process of making a European mount, so that'll be a video coming up soon. Really happy with the outcome. That's the biggest buck I've shot to date, so I don't know, I think that there's not much more to say, but like, subscribe, comment down below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure to go and follow our Instagram page as well as our Facebook page at Wisco Outdoors. I think that's about it. What do you think?
Have a good one.
Yeah, have a good one.